explain myself. You said you cared for me better.
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat.
Yeah, you see it forming, honey?
Head high, chest up, and catch that brain, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today I am finally bringing you guys a very, probably my most highly requested hairstyle of like all time. So some months ago I did this like Genie Ponytail, Josh calls it my tree ponytail hairstyle. I'll insert the picture here. I put it on Instagram and people went like nuts over it. And I have a video on YouTube. It was a girl talk video, nothing about a hairstyle at all, and people just, how do you do the hairstyle? Do you have a video? Blah, blah, blah. And it's taken me forever to do it, but I'm finally doing it for you guys. So I'm gonna walk you through it. But before I do that, if you're new to my channel and you're not a part of Beauty Gang, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're stupid lit over here. As you can see, we out here making tree ponytails and genie ponytails, you know, granting wishes. And let me stop. But no, Beauty Gang is really lit, like for real. In the comment section, go ahead and check it if you don't believe me. I'm sure multiple Beauty Gang members have vouched that it is lit. We are lit. So yeah, hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video, so you can keep up with the gang. And after you do that, we can just hop right into this video. So you guys, the first time I ever did this hairstyle, it was just completely off the dome. Like what hair accessories I added, how to even achieve the style. Like there was no video that I saw out of how to achieve it the way I do. Nor did I really go looking for any, but yeah, so all that was just off the dome. My little tendrils off the dome, like all that. So I think I'm gonna do my tendrils again. And by the way, if anybody's wondering how I got it in like this kind of crinkled state, I'll insert the video here. I put it in my Insta story. Basically, all I did was just do 2 dookie braids, wore it in for like a couple days, and then took it down. Because last time I did this hairstyle, I did the same exact thing. My hair was in a stretched state, but like a crinkled state due to a braid out, and yeah. So, I'm gonna probably do tendrils. So here one. Yeah, I think tendrils are so elegant. Here's the other. One is definitely bigger than the other. Alright, so I have my front tendrils. I also did side tendrils, so let's see how that's gonna look. I should do that again. This is all optional, by the way. I'm just like tendril queen. Like I love me some tendrils, so that's why I'm doing this. Now, oh, my hair would look super cute just like this. And go ahead and clip it and leave it be. Dang, but this is not what we're here for. Alright, I'm gonna twist up these tendrils on this side so they don't get confused. I haven't like re-moisturized my hair or anything like that since I blow dried it, so I figured I'd just try out this Main Choice Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover Leave-In Spray. It was sent to me by like Sally Beauty or something, and I never used it, so I'm like, hey, why don't I just throw that in there, you know? Especially on these edges, they're just a little dry. Alright, now I'm gonna put some Jamaican black castor oil on my edges just so they are protected and strengthened during this process, you know? Now I'm gonna take my soft brush and just brush the Jamaican black castor oil into my hair, as well as try to like smooth it out. I don't want these tendrils to get disturbed. Alright, so now here's the thing. The first thing I did last time was take a ponytail holder and basically put my hair into a regular ponytail. But don't focus too much on the ponytail being like perfect, because here's the weird thing I came up with somehow. I decided to lift the rest of my hair up and I slid this ponytail I just added in there up, right? Then grab another ponytail holder. I am in particular using a headband, which I am going to double like this. You see I still have my hand up there too, by the way, right? Form your second ponytail. Now this is gonna actually be your base ponytail, so you wanna make sure you have pretty much all your hair grabbed. Alright, so as you can see, we formed it. It's pretty much formed. As you can see, it has this little section, right? Now, I think I might move this ponytail up just a little bit more because we're gonna add some gold accessory string to it, and I want that to show. I don't want the hair to hang over it too much. So I'm gonna do that. I literally just, you know, tugging on it and playing with it a little bit. And I'm still holding down the base of this ponytail so it doesn't move around too much. I think this is decent. Now I'm gonna take my gold string accessory, which I actually got off my old hair bundles. I have like tons of bundles that, you know, I can't even see my mouth. I have like tons of bundles left over from like hair companies that I've worked with before. I just didn't use all their bundles, and usually they have some type of string wrapped around the like neck of the bundle. Sometimes it's gold, sometimes it's silver. I've seen a couple purple, sometimes it's black. But yeah, I got all my gold string from those bundles. If you don't have any leftover bundles or anything like that laying around, you can probably find some at maybe your local beauty supply store, maybe Michael's, a craft store of some sort. Or honestly, you don't even have to use gold string. My mom pulled a me the other day and she actually like put a scarf around her tree. So yeah, it's just whatever you want. But back to the tutorial. I'm gonna grab a bobby pin and pretty much loop the gold string through it. So yeah, I pretty much tied a double knot around the loop part of a bobby pin. Then I'm just gonna put that wherever I want. And that's how you're gonna secure the string in there. And then just wrap the string around your ponytail. Well, your tree, girl, your tree. And honestly, if you pull it like tautly or tight, whatever you want to call it, like this, it's gonna kind of like shape it up, I guess you would say. Make it look more structured. I don't know what the word is. More firm. I don't know. It just makes it look, you know, tighter. I really don't know how I finished it off last time, but I think I'm gonna just loop the string around the bobby pin, tuck it into the ponytail structure. You know what I actually should have suggested last time? Just go ahead and cut off that excess string once you create your double knot. I'm all about trying to fill in the little gaps. It's okay to just go wild with it, crisscross it. We got one more, y'all, so I gotta make it count. And by the way, I know you can't visually see what I'm doing in the back when I finish it off. Literally all I'm doing at the end of it is wrapping the end of the string around one of the legs of the bobby pin about 3 times, and then I just push it into the ponytail like that. On the last one, I'm gonna give y'all a nice little close-up. Stick the bobby pin wherever you want to start, and then just start wrapping it around your tree. As I explained to y'all, all you do is wrap the end of the string around one leg of the bobby pin about 3 times, and then just push it into the tree. There we go. Yes, this is super cute. This is actually better than my last one because it's just more like structured. Now before I let down my tendrils, I'm gonna actually use some jam. It's what I've been using on my braids, and I'm gonna just kind of put that along the front of my hair at least, and then soft brush it so it'll kind of sleek it down a little bit, because I feel like it's a little, it ain't rinky-dink, it's cute, it'll do, but it ain't perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let down my tendrils and lay my baby hairs slash edges a little bit. I'm actually gonna add just some bobby pins to hold down these flyaways. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on a scarf for a few minutes, and then I'll come back and show y'all my finished product. Alright y'all, so I have let my hair sit for a few minutes. I am really feeling this. I'm really feeling it. I really am. Wow, I actually think I'm gonna take out the bobby pins I originally put in before I let it set, just because it is set now, okay? It is set. But yeah, you guys, I am really proud of this. I know you guys have been asking for it forever. I finally did it. I hope y'all slay it this summer. I know y'all will. It's not even a hope. I know Beauty Gang slays, so that's not even a question. If you do end up doing this hairstyle, definitely be sure to like tag me on Instagram or Twitter or whatever, so I can show you love and hype you and stuff like that, because I love to see other people recreate my hairstyles and slay like the hell out of them. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. As many requests as I got about doing this little hair tutorial, I bet my notifications better be going ham. But speaking of, let me go ahead and do my notification shout out before I forget. Alright y'all, so today's post notification shout out goes to Deandra R. I really hope I pronounced that right. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being a part of Beauty Gang, and thank you for being a part of Notification Squad. If any of you guys are interested in possibly being shouted out, all you have to do is be subscribed to Beauty Gang, aka my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell after you subscribe so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then every time you see a new video of mine, be sure to hashtag Notification Squad, Notification Gang, just notification something to let me know that you're a part of that ride or die circle and you have the potential to be shouted out. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this hairstyle, because Lord knows I am. It's safe to say I'm feeling myself. It's definitely safe to say that. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. For sure share. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And yeah, until next time guys. Bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you want. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.